Hey guys, chesypoof here for week 8 of the South Park KidRobot zipper pool openings. So now we're on the end of the second row. There's only 3 more to go after this. Let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. And we'll see who we get now. Feels like one of the boys. I don't feel any distinguishing features. It's a very small body though. It feels circular though. Well, I might be wrong, but I'm going to guess Terrence and Philip. We'll see how off I am. Survey says... Gee, Terrence, I guess Josh is pretty good at guessing this, buddy. Oh, you're right, Philip. I guess it's just time to eat some craft dinner. Fart. Oh, Philip, you're such a dick. You're a dick, Terrence. Alright. So we got the Canadian heroes once again. Terrence and Philip, buddy. Hey, you go. So, we got the awesome Canadian duo. Yeah! Good news about getting a few of these is that way I can put them on my hoodies, guy, and don't worry about it, buddy. So that's it for week 8. It's the 3rd repeat so far. Hopefully those other 3 rows will be less repeats, but we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later.